Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello there, my name is Dr. Abdul Adamu from Data Analytica. In this video, I want to demonstrate how we can use Google Form to create quiz. Google Form is an application by Google that can be used to collect survey data and also used to create quiz, which we can use on our Google Classroom. Now, to create quiz on Google Form, first you go to this ellipsis which shows Google Apps. So you scroll downward, you click Form. Once you click Form, this will open. You want to start a new form. These are forms that we have used before. You click on blank. So when you click on blank, this will open. Now once this opens, the first thing we'll do, we'll go to setting and make this quiz. So we'll click that to make it quiz. So once we click that, there are other settings that are here. You can go through it to see which setting that is okay for you. So then we go back to questions. Now first we title the form. Now the title of this form is business statistics quiz. Then the description, this quiz is the basics of statistics. So now this is where you put your questions. Now I have some questions which I'm going to use. These are the questions. So some of the questions are multiple choice questions. Some require short answers, and some will put pictures. So the first one, this question, the first one, we put our questions. So this question is multiple choice question. So put our multiple choice answers. These are our answers. So these are the options. So once you put your options, you can provide the answers key. So what point this question will carry? This question will carry 2 marks. The answer feedback, correct answer is D. So we can save it. So we are done with the first question. The second question, you click this plus to add question. So the second question is also a multiple choice question. You add our answers, they are here. Paste. So you can put points. This is also 2 points. Then so you will check here to show that the question is required. Here also this question also is required. That means it's compulsory for them to answer. Then the next question, this time around, we are going to put questions that require short answers. So this is the question. So this question now, you can take your option. This will require short answers, and this will carry 2 marks also. So this is also required. You can duplicate this. Another questions that I have also is for short answers. So this is short answer. So all I need to do, and it will carry 2 marks also, that is why we duplicated it and it's required. Can also duplicate it. The next one is this question. Paste the question. This will be long answer, so select paragraph, and the point is going to be 5 points. This is done. Then I will include questions that they will use picture to answer it. Copy. So duplicate. So this, they will use picture to answer this. I'm going to attach the picture. The picture, open. So this is the picture that will be used to answer this question. So let's give this 3 points. So assuming we are done with the question, so all the questions are required. All the questions are required. So once you are done, you are done. Now let's customize the theme. Once you click here, you can choose an image to customize the theme, maybe your work or school. Upload. Let's upload an image, the school logo. Open. Done. So let's select color. So we are going to select color. We'll select this color. The font style, the background. Select this. Select that. So let's see preview. Preview will show us how it's going to look like once they open it. Just to answer it, open it. So you can see this is how it will be preview. Once you finish answer, you click submit. So that is how the preview look like. So once you are done, you click send. So with send, you can send via email. You just add the email address here and you click send, or you copy the link. This is the long link. You can shorten the link. This is the short link. You now copy it and send it on the platform. You can also use the HTML. You copy it and send it. So if you want to collect the email, you check this box here. So this is how we can use we can design our quiz. Now once you have sent, this is where the responses will be appearing. So if you want to close the responses, if you are not accepting the responses again, you close, you check this. This shows that you are accepting, and the responses will come in a spreadsheet also. So this is how we use the Google form to create quiz. Thanks for listening.